6.5. First question. Sides of triangles are given below. Determine which of them are right angle triangles. In case of right angle triangle, write the length of its hypotenuse. So these are the sides of triangles. Okay. So here you have to check whether it is right angle or not. And if it is right angle, you have to write the length of the hypotenuse. So 7, first one is 7, 24 and 25. So first you have to select longest side. Hypotenuse is the longest side. So if it is a right angle triangle, that longest side square will be equal to the other two sides, sum of the other two sides square. So let us check whether 25 square is equal to 7 square plus 24 square or not. So 25 square, that is equal to 625. 7 square is 49 plus 24 square is equal to 576. So here you will get 576 plus 49, that is equal to 625. So it is equal. So this is the side of, these are the sides of right angle triangle. Now, which is the hypotenuse? Length of hypotenuse will be equal to (25), the largest side, that is equal to 25. Now second one, 3 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter if we are taking. So 8 is the largest side, so you have to check whether 8 square is equal to 6 square plus 3 square or not. So 8 square, that is 64. Here you will get 36 plus 9. 36 plus 9 is not equal to 64. No. So these are not the sides of right angle triangle. Now third one, 50, 80 and 100. So 100 is the largest side. So 100 square, whether it is equal to 80 square plus 50 square. 100 square, we know that 80 square, then 50 square. So it's not equal. When you are adding that one, you will get 8,900 only. Here 10,000 it will come. So they are not equal. So this is also not the sides of right angle triangle. Now fourth one, 13, 12 and 5. So 13 is the largest one. So you have to check whether 13 square is equal to 12 square plus 5 square. So 13 square 169. So 12 square is 144 and 5 square is 25. So 144 plus 25 is equal to 169. So these are the sides of right angle triangle, and hypotenuse will be equal to that 13. Now look at this one. These types of numbers 13, 12 and 5, then 25, 24, 7. So which form the sides of right angle triangle, that is also known as Pythagorean triplets. Okay, Pythagorean triplets. So that is 3 numbers. When we are taking one square will be equal to sum of the other 2 squares. So if it is asked for 1 mark question, such questions can be asked for 1 mark also. So learn that one also. 9th one. A ladder 10 meter long reaches a window 8 meter above the ground. Find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the base of the wall. See, this 8, 9, 10, 12 questions are also from trigonometry, application of trigonometry. So we are discussing that one. Ladder, that is 8 reaches the ground. So this one is the ladder. Ladder is 10 meter long and window is 8 meter from the ground. So AC is the ladder and at A is the window you can take. Now you are asked to find out distance of foot of the ladder from the base, that is BC. So here also a 90-degree angle it is forming right angle triangle. For this right angle triangle, AC is the hypotenuse. So how will you find out BC? Hypotenuse square minus altitude square. So here BC square will be equal to AC square minus AB square. So that is equal to 10 square minus 8 square. 10 square is 100. 100 minus 8 square, that is 64. So you will get 36. So BC is equal to root of 36 equal to 6. So the distance from the foot of the building or wall from to the ladder is 6 meters. Now 10th one. A guy wire is attached to a vertical pole of height 18 meter, is 24 meter long and has a stake attached to the other end. How far from the base of the pole should the stake be driven so that the wire will be taut? So a pole is there of height 18 meter. A wire is tightly fixed from here and tied to this side. So the wire should be tightly attached. So that wire is 24 meter long. And has now ABC so where should be this one be attached? That is the question. So we'll take that one, AC square now AC is the hypotenuse, so BC are asked to find out. So BC square will be equal to AC square minus AB square. BC square is equal to 24 square minus 18 square. 24 square we know that is 576. 18 square 324. So you will get 252 BC square. So what will be BC? So 252. So when you are prime factorizing that one, 6, then again 3 and 7. So it will be BC will be equal to root of 252. So it will be 2 into 3, 6 root 7. So BC is equal to 6 root 7 you will get. Now 12th one, two poles of height 6 and 11 meters stands on a playground. If the distance between the feet of the poles is 12, find the distance between their tops. So two towers are there. One is 6 meter long, other one is 11 meter long. Both of them standing on the same ground, 12 meter apart. You are asked to find out the distance from this one, top of the tower. That is, this one is 12, again parallel lines. This is 6 and total distance is 11. That means this much is 6 and this one will be 5. You are asked to find out this distance. So let us mark that A, B, C, D, E, or ADE also a right angle, because both of them are standing on the ground, the same straight angle 90 degree it is making. So if it is 90, this also will be 90. So ADE is also a right angle triangle. For this right angle triangle, AE is the hypotenuse. So AE square, so this one is 12th one, AD square plus DE square. So AE square is equal to AD, that is 12 square plus 5 square. 12 square we know that is 144 and 5 square is 25. 144 plus 25, 169. AE square is equal to 169. So AE will be equal to root of 169, that is equal to 13. So that is also solved. Last 17th question. Take the correct answer and justify. In the triangle ABC, 6 root 3 equal to AB equal to 6 root 3, AC is equal to 12 and BC equal to 6. The triangle is. If it is a right angle triangle, then only we can write it is largest side, that is 12 squares will be equal to 6 square plus. So let us find that one, whether 12 square is equal to 6 root 3 the whole square plus 6 square. So 12 square 144, 6 square that is 36, root 3 square is 3, plus 36. So 36 into 3 108 plus 36, so it is equal to 144. So it is a right angle triangle. So angle B will be equal to 90 degree.